In this video, I'll show you how to add Excel sheets in Confluence pages. Alright, so this is not a built-in feature in Confluence, so what we're going to need to do is download an add-on. And we can do this by going to the left-hand side and clicking on Apps. And then from the drop-down, you'll see Explore More Apps. In here, we're just going to type in Spreadsheet. And you want to pick the Elements spreadsheet, which is by Atlassian. From there, we want to click on Try It for Free on the top right. You're then going to click on Review and Start Free Trial. And from there, give it a few minutes. It's going to start installing. And here on this little block on the left, we can see that it is done. So now we just need to open up any page. And on your page, what you want to do is just click on a text section and type /spreadsheet until you see the Elements spreadsheet pop up. And now you're going to let this load up, and then you'll see a section here that says Import Workbook. You want to click on Upload a File. Now just navigate to your file and open it. And now you'll see an Import section at the bottom here, and you just want to click on Import. And that'll open up your spreadsheet, which you are free to edit if it doesn't come out exactly how you want it. And when you're ready, all you need to do is type in a name for your spreadsheet and then hit the check mark. And that'll begin saving. And once it's done saving, you can click on the X on the top right. And you'll see your spreadsheet is now loaded on your page. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.